Hi, welcome to my video. Today's video, I'm gonna introduce you the PUREPLUS Whole House Sediment Water Filter Cartridge. CTO, also known as Activated Carbon Blocked Water Filter. IT is reprocessed from activated carbon particles. The filtration area is equivalent to 5 football fields. Carbon is the stuff that's been around a long time that makes your water taste better. CTO is generally used in the second or third stage of the whole house mainline water system to remove 99% of substances larger than 1 micron, such as residual chlorine, iron, VOC, odor and cysts, etc., which can cause eczema, psoriasis, shredding. And when you run the steam in the shower with too much chlorine, it creates a gas that actually affects your respiratory system. And over time it's actually been linked to a lot of health disorders as well. The CTO shell is made of food-grade PP material, without heavy metal residues such as lead/mercury, so as to prevent the filter element from producing harmful substances such as bacteria and microorganisms during use. The water flow rate allowed by PUREPLUS CTO is generally 2.5 to 5 GPM. The water flow pressure is 60 psi, and the maximum water flow pressure is 100 psi. Usually used as a whole house filtration system, it needs to be replaced every 3 to 6 months, or when the filtered water reaches 13,000 gallons, a new filter element needs to be replaced. Of course, if your local water quality is particularly poor, it takes a shorter time to replace the filter element. If you are interested in my video content, welcome to subscribe to my channel. See you next video.